I want to tell you something about yesterday. I need to be honest.
It was so nice to get to know you. I loved our date last night. Did you get home safe?
Yeah, everything was fine. Thanks for asking. You need to know something.
Here's some advice from Plug AI. Tell her I can't wait to get to know you more. You're such an amazing person.
I can't wait to get to know you more. You're such an amazing person.
How well, where's my ring at?
Not so fast.
On a serious note, I appreciate everything you did for me yesterday. That bill must have been crazy. How much was it?
No problem. Something light like $700 pocket change.
I have to repay you sometime. What hobbies are you into?
I'm not really into hobbies, to be honest. I'm just a big movie watcher, to be honest.
Oh, that's sweet. When are you inviting me over? You can't be watching all those movies by yourself.
Valid point.
Maybe you can come over tonight for some movies.
I would take you to the movies, but they don't allow snacks in.
Yeah, for sure. What movies are you into? Harry Potter? X-Men? Shrek?
You can't go wrong with Shrek, can you? Shrek is the goated movie above all. I saw you like Transformers. I have a question, though. Autobots or Decepticons?
Autobots. They're the good guys, right?
Yeah, I saw that your TikTok bio said that you were a Transformer.
Yeah, like an X-Man.
The movie?
Like a ladyboy.